Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and I'm in the process of just finding the disc for Ecstasy is a Science. For those who don't know, it was one of my tracks on Whitehouse EP. I'm trying to put those songs together now and trying to find all the discs, and literally got my archive up and running. It was actually called, the disc for that was actually called Black and Gold. We look here, you can see I've got it literally running on the old Amiga at the moment. 95% there at the moment. A few tweaks to do. Gonna do another little remaster, a little bit of a mix of it. You can see the mix is really touchy at the moment. Needs a good clean.
Yes peeps, it's time for a hardcore jungle history lesson. For those who don't know, this track playing was one of my early releases on Whitehouse Records. Whitehouse Records was one of the most iconic hardcore labels out there, and as far as I know, it was born out of a distribution company called Mows Music Machine. Mows Music Machine was a major player in the distribution of early hardcore jungle, alongside Basement Distribution, Jumpstart, Shell Shock and SRD. Back in the day, the future of hardcore solely relied on the DJs that played the music on the pirate radio and at the major underground clubs. Back in the day, we did not have the internet, social media like Facebook, SoundCloud to promote our music. To promote tracks back then, it was all about who you knew and which DJ you could get to play your music. Tunes were promoted on pirate radio and in the clubs, and music was even promoted through the record shops. Due to the huge amount of releases available, DJs had so many tracks to choose from on a weekly basis, so they had to be very selective, as a majority of DJs were only booked for a 1 to 2 hour set at most, which means that hundreds of tunes back in the day were left unheard and not even promoted. The Science EP was one of my first releases to show a real buzz on the scene, and brings back a lot of good memories, and also had a few follow-ups. I hope you've enjoyed this insight into a small piece of retro music history. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Take care, God bless, peace.